Well, this is the GoPro 7, and I am setting up my Mavic Pro right here. We did a video yesterday of setting up the Mavic Pro, and then we took our maiden flight and crashed it into a tree. So here is the Mavic Pro 2 number 2, and here is the number 1. It is being sent back to DJI. So I'm hoping this one lasts longer than one flight. That would be nice. But I am getting to be an expert in, setting up these. And plus I'm getting to play with the new GoPro number 7. GoPro Black 7. Okay, so it looks like I have the Mavic Pro 2, number 2, all set up. It's inside of this little tiny package, and I'm also going to bring the goggles. So we'll try the goggles, and that's it. We have a beautiful El Paso day, as you can see. Have the other batteries still charging, but it's a beautiful El Paso day. So I say it's time to go out and see if we can destroy Mavic Pro 2 number 2. Okay, I think we're all set. I went ahead and started setting up the Mavic 2. Now it's connecting, and okay, it's all connected. It's getting all the flight information, and it says it's ready to go. Hello. And we can get a beautiful view of the valley and the mountain. I'm on East El Paso looking towards the mountain. So West El Paso would be on the other side of that mountain. And let's see, the wind is blowing from this direction, so I'm going to head that way. And see how far I can go. Not really, I'm just kind of just taking some pictures. So I'm trying to fly into the wind so that if something happens, the wind can help push me back. Though I'm not planning on going that far away. And the gimbal looks nice and balanced. So it looks like I'm getting a nice even picture as far as I can tell. And right now I'm approaching a mile. I'm just about a mile away. Hopefully there's nothing over there that I shouldn't fly over. I'm actually behind my truck and behind a bunch of buildings, so I think I'm going to have it come back this way. Just going to hit return to home. Now it's heading back. I think I'm just going to fly it back as opposed to... about a mile away, and I'm just flying back on the same track that I came on. I'm not sure of the distance of these. On the internet I saw where somebody flew one 6.9 miles. That's a long way. I'm at 84% battery. I flew 1 mile away and I'm on my way back.